Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
The euro dollar is still in this wave 4 consolidation. It's getting messy by the day, and we're looking for that wave 5 impulse. So I think all eyes are around this 112.5 level. If it fails to hold, I think there's more downside to come. And this move can go all the way down to 1.10 to test this line, which I think larger time frame is actually corresponds to one of the fake retracement levels. It's 78.6. Yeah. So what we're looking for here is if you want to go in here for a quick shot, have around 1 to 1. Yeah, I personally wouldn't do it. It's unclear what price will do at this level, but you could probably wait for like a pullback and then go for a short. But this is where the action will happen. If it fails to hold this level and then it breaks down strongly, this is the next level that we're looking at. So yeah, keep your eyes out on what happens on this level. We have a slight bias to the downside, so I wouldn't long it. We expect to see some consolidation here, but I would never long here. So I don't think it's too better idea to short here, but I think next week we might see some pullback here, and then you can maybe enter around the same price. So it's really up to you.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.